I grew up in the air conditioning business. I know a lot about air conditioning systems and designing an air conditioning system properly for a house. I was raised in a business just like this. I can look at this air conditioning system right here. I know it's a split heat pump. And in the air conditioning world, every summer when you get 90-degree temperatures, these air conditioning companies are overwhelmed with calls from customers coming in talking about how their air conditioning system won't keep up. And so we would send technicians out there and find that, hey, the system is operating as it's supposed to, it's doing everything that it can, and it's just too hot outside for the system to keep up, and you just kind of deal with that in really hot days of the year. It's actually not an air conditioning problem, it's a roof problem. And through proper attic ventilation and a ventilation system designed properly, you can actually have an air conditioning that keeps up with your temperatures even on the hottest days of the year. So it's not an air conditioning problem, it's actually a roof problem.